I'm here and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video this is the daily analysis or separate daily analysis for gold. And as per you can see there is already daily time frame candle selected, because of we always start our analyzing with longer time frame to find out market direction, and then we simply go for hourly or H4 time frame to find out our proper path or direction or entry. And for scalping we always use M15 or M30 time frame to find out our scalping entry. So let's get started, and we will break down the trend lines, support and resistance zone, and other strategies like Fibonacci level and trend retracement, and also breakout pullback strategies. We will apply all of them and find out our key zones. Okay, so as per you can see daily candle is struggling with bearish movement. That means it may go bullish within few hours, and as you can see there is a strong trend line formed, and there is 1 2 3 4 5 time market just rejected this trend line area and it's just trying to go up, but there is some few fundamental factor that's why market is unable to go up. So what is happening around there, or what is going to happen, we will break down all of them. So as per the daily time frame candle, or as per the daily time frame, you may see there is a strong trend line formed over here, and market just trying to respect this trend line from last 5 times. And let's get back into lower time frame like H4 time frame to find out the market path or direction. As you can see there, still in H4 time frame, market just trying to reach upper level or trying to break this trend line. If I want to see that on H1 time frame, it can be a clear visible. Okay, so let's get back into our trend line, and as you can see there, if I want to draw that with perfectly, okay, as you can see there, this is our trend line, and there was a fake breakout, and again just trying to go up. If it break this zone, that means this trend line, then we will wait for a pullback like that one, and then we can wait for a buy confirmation. Then we can consider a buy entry over there for the breakout pullback strategies. Okay, so this is the current situation, and if it give us the bearish pullback like that or breakout like that, and we will wait for a pullback over here. And if we got any sell confirmation over that particular area, we will just simply place a sell order for a long term, and our risk to reward ratio should be around 1:3. Like if you want to take your sell 50 pips, you have to take your TP 150 pips. That means risk ratio is 1, reward ratio is 3. Okay, this is the 1:3 risk reward ratio. And if I want to go for a smaller time frame, or if I want to find out the support or resistance areas around that zone or over that zone, and as you can see there, that could be our strong support area for today. As you can see there is our strong support area, and our another resistance area is around that particular area. Okay, let me make it perfect, could be that particular area. That means market is moving within our support and resistance area. As you can see there is a lot of time market just respected that particular area and that particular area also. Okay, if I zoom out a little bit more, you may see there. Okay, there's a lot of support and resistance areas, and we are updating that into our Telegram channel. That means if you join our Telegram channel, link in the video description box, you will get real-time update in each and every moment. Okay, let's remove all of them and find out entries for a scalper like small time frame trader like M15 time frame. And as per you know that we already posted today 2 entry into our VIP channel, and both of them, one of them hit our TP, another one is running with good profit. And if I want to draw, or if I want to find out the trend line zones, as you can see there is a particular trend line zones, and it just breakout, then we wait for the pullback, and we took our entry over there, and it's just trying to go up. And another entry was around that particular zones. That means that particular zones, there was a pattern, and it just give us a breakout. Again, we took our entry on that particular area, and it's just trying to go up, or it's just moving more than 40 pips right now. And what we can do for now, okay, if I want to find out another trend line, that means downtrend over here, as you can see there, it's already on breakout. Okay, if it get back till that particular area, then we can consider another buy entry. Okay, and if it give us a there, that means breakout, then we'll wait for the pullback till that particular area, then we can consider a sell entry with candle confirmation. So this is what you need to do right now. And if I want to find out the support level, okay, that could be our particular support level for now. Okay, then if you want to consider a buy entry, then you have to wait for that particular area, and then if you get a candle confirmation, then we can consider buy from there. And for selling, we have to wait another trend line or another particular area that could be there. Okay, but you must have to consider candle confirmation to go sell, then we only can enter the sell entry. Otherwise, if it make us a breakout, then we will wait for another pullback here, then we can continue our buying. So I hope all things is clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. That's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.